Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Shakur and today's my video topic is the difference between enumerator, iterator and list iterator. This enumerator, iterator and list iterator are all the core concept of the collection framework. Starting with the enumerator, this enumeration is an interface. It is used in a collection interface to retrieve the element one by one. This enumeration is a legacy interface. Therefore, it is only applicable to the legacy classes like stack, vector, or hash table. So, this legacy classes are those classes which are borrowed from the initial version of the Java. The enumeration is only possible in a single direction, that is a forward direction iteration. In enumeration, using this enumeration we can perform only read only operations. The remove operation cannot be performed using the enumeration. To call the object of enumeration, we have to call for the elements method present inside the vector class. Moving on to the next point, that is the iterator. This Iterator is the universal attribute of the collection. That is, this iterator can be applied to the every collection object. Then this collection The iterator operator, using this operator we can perform the iteration in only single direction, that is forward direction. And also Using this iterator we can perform the two types of operation. First, we can perform the read only operation, as well as we can perform the remove operation as well. so then next Then the iterator also uh, so using to call for the iterator object, we have to call for the method iterator which is present inside the collection framework. Then last point is the list iterator. This list iterator is the most powerful iterator or the attribute among the three of them. This list iterator is present inside the list interface. Therefore, it is only applicable to the those classes which implement the list interfaces, like array list, linked list, or stack. The benefits of this list iterator is, this list iterator, using this we can perform the operations addition, read only operation, remove operation, as well as the replace operation. So in normal iterator we cannot perform the replace operation, which can be performed into the list iterator. Using the list iterator we can perform the two directional iteration, forward as well as backward direction. So that's the one benefits of this list iterator. And also, to call for this list iterator object, we have to call for the list iterator method which is present inside the list interface. Then the four major key points of key points or the difference between three of them is: first, where it can be used. The first is enumeration. So this enumeration is used only or applicable only for legacy classes, uh, because enumeration is itself is a legacy interface. Then iterator can be used into the any object of the collection framework, because it is a universal attribute. Whereas this list interface is only applicable to the classes which are implementing the list interfaces. Then next difference is the is it legacy classes. So the enumeration is a legacy is a le- the le- enumeration is a legacy interface. Therefore, it only applicable in legacy classes. Then iterator is not a legacy interface or legacy class. Then the list interface is also not a legacy interface. The third major difference is the action of movement. So in the enumeration, only single direction, that is forward direction iteration, is a possible. In iterator also there is only single direction, that is forward direction iteration is possible. Whereas in the list iterator, the two directional forward as well as backward direction iteration is a possible. Then next difference is the number of operation, or which kind of operation can be performed. So in enumeration, only single operation, that is read only operation, can be performed. the remove and replace operation cannot be performed by this enumeration, whereas in the iterator only the replace operation cannot be performed, only read only operation and remove operation can be performed, whereas in the list iterator we can perform all three of them. That's why the list iterator is a better among three of them. And then last difference is the where should be used it. So the enumeration is used when there, it should be used when there is a single a single directional iteration is required, and only read only operation has to be performed, whereas the iteration operation has the iteration is to be used, whereas the you have to work on the or to enumerate the elements of all the collection interfaces, where uh, set, list, queue or dq. And the list iterator is should be used where you have to perform the operations of the list interfaces. So that's it with the major difference between the enumerator, iterator and list iterator. Thank you.